मकुटे वृक्षभावेऽपि वज्रे तड्डरवासवे केतकी कुसुमे दीपे वह्ने ज्वाला विजृम्भणे कपोते पत्रलेखायां बाणाते परिवर्तने युज्यते त्रिपदाकोऽयं कथितो हरतोत्तमै. I'm going to be narrating a story using Tripataka Hasta Vinyoga. The crown was passed on from the king to his son. The king goes into the forest where many trees are there. In the middle of the forest, he finds Lord Indra's Vajra. When he picks it up, Lord Indra appears in front of him. Lord Indra appears with the Ketaki Kusume flower and gives it to the king as a blessing from him. The king takes the Ketaki Kusume flower and Lord Indra's Vajra back to his kingdom and establishes it in front of Lord Indra's statue. He lights the lamp every day. After a couple of days, he performs a homa where sudden increase of fire takes place and a pigeon bursts out from the flame holding an arrow in its beak. A letter is tied to the arrow and the pigeon goes around the king in a circular movement. When the king opens the letter, he sees that it's a secret letter as a blessing from Lord Indra. पल्लवे पलके तीरे उभयोरिति वाचके क्रगचे चूरिकायां च ध्वजे गोपुरशृङ्गयोः युज्यते अर्थपताकोऽयं ततकर्म प्रयोगके. Under a tree with bushy leaves was a board with a painting of God. At a bank of a river caught the attention of two wicked people. They took a saw and a knife and cut the board. A monk who came out of his tower with a huge flag on it saw this and got upset. He prayed to God silently. Then God answered his prayers and he gave the two wicked people 2 horns on their head, and the crowd around them started to laugh. Moral of the story: what goes around comes back.
त्रिपुंसयोस्तु विश्लेषे विपर्यासपदेऽपि च लुण्ठने नयनार्थे च मरणे भेदभावने विद्युधर्ते एकशय्या विरहे पठने तथा लतायां युज्यते यस्तु सकरः कर्तरी मुखः.
Sri Rama and Devi Sita are being separated due to Ravana's cruelty. Sri Rama and Devi Sita represents goodness and light. Opposite of them, Ravana represents darkness and evil. By hearing this, Lord Hanuman rode several times over Lanka. He finally sees Devi Sita. In his corner of his eyes, tears come out. He feels to kill and witness the death of Ravana. But he understands the difference of him killing Ravana rather than his Lord Rama coming and killing Ravana. He leaves Lanka by showing his power and warning Ravana like a lightning. Sri Rama feels happy as he can finally see Devi Sita after a year's separation. Sri Rama comes with Vanara's army and he kills Ravana, and Ravana falls down as he is known. Sri Rama makes Vibhishana as the king, and like a creeper, all good festivals rise in Lanka.
मयूरास्ये लतायां च शकुने वमने तथा अलकस्याप नयने ललाटतिलकेषु च नद्युदक्षस्य निक्षेपे शास्त्रवादे प्रसिद्धके एवमत्येषु युज्यन्ते मयूरकरभावना. One day, as a peacock was hiding behind a few creepers, it saw a girl who had a bird as a pet. This bird had been sick, which caused pain to the girl, but because she had beautiful curls, kajal in her eyes, and a bindi on her forehead, it wasn't visible outside. The peacock led them to a river where the girl took some water for a bird and gave it to him. It healed immediately. The moral of this story is that according to the scriptures, fame comes not because of the external things but due to the kindness and compassion.